Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the Parrot Key Hotel and Villas in beautiful Key West, Florida. If you're considering a stay at this 4-star resort, you'll want to watch this video. I'll share 10 key things to know before you book. And remember, the safest way to book is always through the link in the description or the QR code on the screen. Located in Key West, you're close to many attractions and have access to the island's unique charm. Note that specific points of interest aren't mentioned in the provided text, so plan your activities accordingly. Public transport options may vary. The hotel doesn't specify room sizes or noise levels in the provided info. Be sure to check the room specifics when booking to ensure they fit your needs. Some rooms may have direct pool access. The hotel offers free breakfast. Both American and Continental options are available in a buffet style. This can save you money and time each morning. The resort has 4 swimming pools, a gym, and other facilities, including a fitness center. These amenities are great for relaxation and recreation. There is also a bar and restaurants on the property, so you don't need to leave the hotel if you don't want to. There are restaurants on site serving American cuisine, with both buffet and a la carte options. This provides flexibility for your meals. Be sure to check the specific menus and pricing during your reservation. Check-in begins at 4 p.m., giving you a leisurely start to your vacation. If you arrive early, inquire about luggage storage. Checkout times aren't specified. The hotel caters to families with family rooms and kids' meals. This makes it a suitable option for those traveling with children. The hotel offers wheelchair accessibility, making it easier for guests with mobility needs to enjoy their stay. There's on-site entertainment, including a game room, which can enhance your stay and provide additional activity options. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. There is a shuttle service, valet parking, and a car park. Charges apply. So, there you have it. 10 things to consider before booking Parrot Key Hotel and Villas. With its location and amenities, it looks like a great option for a Key West getaway. Remember, you can book your stay with confidence using the link or QR code in the description.